Hey guys, it's Key and I'm back with another video. Today I just wanted to film this soft glam Valentine's Day makeup look since it's right around the corner, and I know a lot of you might be going out with your significant other or your girls, just anything. So I definitely wanted to film something super simple and cute. So if you want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep watching. Okay, I'm back. I've already did my foundation and I primed my lid. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this Valentine's Day makeup look. So I wanted to create something pretty simple. I think I'm gonna go and use the OG palette, the Lorac Unzipped right here. And I'm gonna start off with the shade Unspoken. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Alright, so I'm using the same brush and I'm going into the same palette using the shade Unbridled right here. It's like a deep purple burgundy color. That's the only thing about this palette is the colors are on the back. So I'm going to use the shade Space Out, which is this purple shade right here. Make sure I'm pointing at it. And these shades are really glittery. Okay, now let's go back into the Fenty palette and I'm going to take that shade again, Space Out, and just apply it to the outer corners of my eye. Pack it on there. I just want to add a little glitter to the outer crease, a nice purple or something. I didn't want the purple to be too intense since this is more of a toned down, you know, glam look. Are you guys doing anything for Valentine's Day? Like, have any plans? Let me know in the comments below, because y'all never really comment and I want y'all to comment. Like, we're cool. And I might film another makeup look, like maybe something more dramatic, maybe something more simple. Y'all gotta let me know. All right, so let's see. I think I'm gonna start off with this one right here. I like how reflective it is, and then maybe dab into that one. See, this makes me want to add like a more vibrant color to my crease, like a pink. Don't you guys think that'll like set it off more and give it more of a Valentine's Day vibe? I think so. So that's what we're going to do once we finish this lid. So now I'm going to go into that other pink shade. This one in the middle right here. And that one is called Meteor Crush. So I'm going to apply that in my inner corner, since it's a little bit more lighter and pale. It low-key looks like the other one. So let me see. I'm gonna go in with Ozone, which is this white shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. But yeah, these are super glittery shadows. I really like this palette. Like, if you're like me and you're into like dramatic eye looks and stuff, this will be a great palette. And especially since I didn't really own like loose pigments or glitter for my lids, this was a great palette because I got pretty much everything I need. Okay, yes, I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. blush palette. Excuse the powderiness, it was like on the bottom of all my loose powders. So I guess I'll go back in with the same Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna take a mixture of these two shades, and I might pop that somewhere in there, but right now we're just gonna use these two shades here just to give it more of a rosy effect. Yeah, I like how that just added a little bit more, you know, color and pinkness to it. So now we're looking a little bit more Valentine's Day. We're giving off Valentine's Day vibes, y'all. You're probably like, what is wrong with this girl? But yeah, I just want to do like something. This is really simple and pretty, and you can wear it like in the daytime. Like, I don't know, some of you guys might have like daytime plans for Valentine's Day, want to beat the crowds, then you know this will be a cute look. And I think I want to go back in with this pink shade from the Fenty palette, just a little bit more, just a tad bit more, because y'all know I'm extra. So if you want to recreate this look, you might not have the same products, but probably I would skip that whole burgundy shade, and I'll probably just do like a pink in the crease just to, for the lid. I meant the crease. That'll look really good. And let me go back in with this blush palette. I always like to tweak everything at the end. And I'm going in with this hot pink shade at the bottom right here. And just to help blend everything together, since we used some glitter. Yeah. Yes, this is what I wanted right here. Yeah, this is really cute. Okay, so now, OMG, you guys, that's what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to try out, well, I use it as a highlighter if you watch my other videos, but the Fenty Beauty highlighter and Binge and Mascara Mule, the kilowatt highlighters. I was supposed to use that as a base for the shadow. Duh. But it's okay, we're gonna use this for a highlight anyway. All right. You know what, maybe I can pop this like a little bit like down here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to do eyelashes and my lower lash line, what else, highlighter and lip. Alright, so I just had a mishap with my powder and concealer. Like, I don't know what happened. See, that's what happens when you try new products. So, but this is like my third time using it. I didn't have this issue, so I'm confused. I don't know what I did different today. I don't know. But anyways, let's go ahead, because I'm starting to crease from all the products because I had to reapply. So we're definitely doing something with our under eye. And I just had a brush. Okay. I'm going to use this brush here. It's like a little pointy pencil brush. I'm going to start off with this one right here. Alright, I think I'm going to go in with this one, the darker pink. I am going in with the Jaclyn palette, and I'm taking this dark purple shade to apply to like the outer corner. Alright, so now it's lashes time. Alright, so I'm using the Eyelure Vegas Nay collab lashes, and I'm using the Style Platinum Princess. I don't have the packaging anymore, but maybe you guys can still get a glimpse of the lashes. I'm gonna try my best, but they look like this. They're really pretty. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna let my lashes dry some, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Fenty highlighter in my inner corners, like right here, and also like on the lower lash line. That's another way to make your eyes pop, ladies. So I'm going in with the glittery, more glittery glam side of the highlighter. I'm using the shade Mascara Mule. So I'm just taking like a really flat brush, and I'm going to use that to apply it in my inner corner. Yo, this stuff is intense, man. Riri, like, the pigmentation in her products is ridiculous. Like, it's really ridiculous. Besides some of the shadows in the Fenty palette, but I've watched tutorials before and stuff, and people that got like PR packages, a lot of them mention that a lot of those shades are toppers, so like you need a regular metallic shade underneath, and then you apply the glitter, which makes sense because a lot of them are literally just glitter. So some shadows you'll need like a glitter primer for, which I need to go get some because I do not have any. But for the most part, like, I've been wearing her shadows. Like, I got this in December, and I've been using her shadows without a glitter primer, and I mean, sometimes it can get onto the crease, as you can see here, but it's not bad. Like, that's the most you'll probably get. So it works really well without a glitter primer. But if you're that person that just wants it like super neat and you don't want it to transfer, then definitely try using like a mixing medium with it. I know MAC has one, I think NYX has one too, or a glitter primer, either one. Alright, so my lashes should be somewhat tacky by now. Okay, now I think it's good. Now I can apply my mascara. So I'm going in with my handy dandy Telescopic by Loreal mascara in Carbon Black. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm about to go to class popping, y'all. What's up? Alright, so we're just gonna go in on our bottom lashes. And now we get to go to the face and we're gonna highlight. And of course we're using the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm using both of the shades just because they're both bomb. Like one is like a more natural metallic finish. It doesn't really have glitters in it. So that can be like for an everyday look. And this side is just more bam in your face, you know? And if you're like a lighter skin tone, this will be a great blush, especially like in the spring or summer. You don't have to use a highlighter. You can just apply that and give like a really fresh face vibe, like, you know, makeup look, but kind of, yeah, this will be great. So no matter what shade you are, this is a great highlighter and it can be used for multiple things. But yeah, I only use a little bit of this stuff because if you want to have it blinding, you can definitely take it there. But I'm not trying to do that. I'm going to class, y'all. Okay? If you're trying to pop out for your significant other on Valentine's Day, then go for it, sis. Go for the blinding highlights, okay? But right now, it's daytime. It's like 2:45 right now, and I got a 4 o'clock class. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep it toned down today. For some people, you're like, you call this toned down? I mean, for this highlighter, yeah, because Riri, she on some other stuff with this, like, for real, like. Alright, and we got one more Fenty product to use. I'm definitely going to buy some of her products, especially since she just released more lipsticks. I need to get my hands on all of them. Well, not all of them, but most of them. So next we're going to do our lips. Well, lastly. And I'm using the Fenty Gloss. What's the name of it? Gloss Bomb. Yeah. So this stuff, y'all, ever since I bought it, I can't put it down. Like, it's just amazing. Like, I'm about to do my favorite like little lip look that I like to do with it. But literally, the first time I wore it, I put it on around 2:30, and I take it off till 11, and I didn't reapply at all. Like, it's just so glossy. It's not sticky. It doesn't clump up. It's the perfect gloss, so it deserves all your coins. Like, so now I'm gonna line my lip with a brow liner, of course. Nothing new here. All right, and then last but not least, this gloss, and it smells so good, like some old school lip gloss that we used to wear back in the day that you get at the beauty supply store. It just smells like candy. Okay, so our look is completed. I just wanted to do, you know, like a cute soft glam, really pretty girly look for Valentine's Day. Hope you guys really like it and enjoyed it. Definitely leave me some comments down below, like what you want to see next. I'm definitely going to get out a foundation routine very soon. If you guys want something more dramatic or something more simple for Valentine's Day look, definitely let me know down below, because I will definitely get something out before the 14th. So yeah, and make sure you guys, if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, because we've been uploading weekly. We have not let y'all down yet, so definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button, catch up on our other videos. I keep touching my hair, I'm sorry y'all. I'm just really feeling this look, like, I don't know, this is really cute. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.